Hey, you an update. So basically, a few years ago, I created a video of me playing this. That was the old Home Depot riff. Some of you were like, cut your hair and play the right riff. This is the video where I play it. So, after about like 2 days, I learned the riff. It kind of sounds like this. Y'all would know it. I hope that sounds right to y'all. So I'm gonna be playing it, I'm gonna be teaching you how to play it, just like I did in my old video. But that's a bit of a better setup here. I got my real-life tripod. Bit of a stupid statement. But here we go. So, I don't know what tuning your guitar is in, but this one is the D standard. So you're gonna want to go to 3rd string. And you're going to want to go to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th fret. And you're going to do the 9th fret on the 3rd and 4th string. So it's going to go. Alright, I hope you're following along with me pretty well. So after that, we're going to go. That's going to be the 7th fret on the 4th string. So it's going to be. Then we're going to go back to the 9th fret on the 3rd string, then 7th fret on the 3rd string, and then all the way up here on the 6th string, we're going to do the 7th fret. So it's going to be. So when you put it together, like I played it, it's going to be. There's gonna be another video coming soon of this and a few other things, including a bass. I'm gonna write a bass part for it. And some, like, I don't know, hammer sounds, bass drum sounds, like, but not sounding like that. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you learned something from it. Like and subscribe, I guess, and goodbye.